Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Google Chrome using too much RAM. First, open your Google Chrome. Then you need to go on the top three dots. Then go on Settings. Once you go on Settings, make sure you go on System. Then you need to make sure that this is not selected. And this turn off. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Turn it off. Then after that, go on Performance. Then you need to go here where it says Memory Saver. You need to turn this on. What else you can try is to manage your extensions. Extensions, and then you say Manage Extensions. Make sure you remove any extensions that you're not using. And you're done.